Morning. My name's JP Harlica. I'm a lieutenant with the Houston Police Department. About 11:30 this evening, Northeast Patrol got a call here in the 2800 blocks of Mills Road regarding two suspects on this construction site behind us in these townhomes. When they arrived, they heard the two and were set a perimeter. With the help of our canine units, they caught one of the suspects pretty quickly. The second suspect is still on the run. This time we're waiting on some keys to check a couple more of the townhouses behind us before we call it and do follow-up investigations. At this time, what we've learned was the suspects were burglarizing these units, kicking in the doors, and stealing copper. So at this time, they're facing possible burglary charges, some copper theft charges, and possibly trespassing. So that's what we have at this time.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, Hood News peeps, y'all heard this. This is part 2 of the Riddler on the Roof, friends. They got one guy in custody. So these are copper bandits. Baby, these dudes were on a construction site stealing copper wire. We've been covering a lot of this kind of theft. So they're going to grab more keys to some of these units to, rule out that he's not still here at the scene. And then they're going to call it quits if they don't find him. So be safe, friends. Please be advised. Copper banditry going down tonight right here at the 1800 block of Jensen and 2800 block of Mills. Man, this is Northeast Patrol on the scene that you guys see here. We even had the canines out here. They're going to be back in service. So stick around, friends. They're going to get more keys. And then they're going to go into some more units. Because the bandit might have locked himself in, y'all. This is crazy. We can't make this stuff up. Yes, this is cracktivities. Oh my God, I'm glad somebody said it. This is cracktivities. This man on the bike. It's almost 1 a.m. So yeah, Northeast Patrol responded to an incident out here. There was a man on the roof evading officers. They got one in custody. I think that might be him in the backseat of that cop car. Ooh, they got a copper wire bandit. Hold on, friends. Hold on. I'm going to try to get him on video. We're going to get some kind of money shot. Hold on. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, copper wire bandit in the back seat. They got one guy and they're waiting to get keys so they can go into other units. Hold on, friends. Let me wipe the lens. All right. Oh, they're looking. You see the lights? There you go. Oh, he looks sad. He didn't get that copper wire bandit. Oh, HFD is here. Possible bandit in distress. He's probably having distress, y'all. He probably got word that he probably saw me and went into distress. Bandits, they can't stand me, so he might be physically ailing right now. Oh Lord, friends, the bandit needs medical care. He needs medical attention. And he's about to get it from the best. Houston Fire Department is here on the scene, folks. This is Grizzy reporting live. Copper bandit down. Oh my goodness. The stuff is just getting interesting. Copper bandit in distress. Look at him. He's looking down and out, friends. He don't want to go to jail, but don't worry, you'll be out tomorrow. Oh Lord. All bandits are innocent until proven guilty. I must say that. Foolishness and fuckery going down tonight, folks. This is Grizzy reporting live here with the Hood News. Bandit in distress. I repeat, copper wire bandit in distress. We got the Houston Fire Department just arrived. He needs medical treatment. Oh my God. Please don't laugh, Grizzy. Stop that shit, man. I gotta tell my other personality to chill. Yeah, we're back, friends. One of the suspects that's been captured, he's not feeling well. Who's baby daddy? He ain't dead. Yeah, he's high, probably, possibly, allegedly, maybe. Somebody say he needs some BC powder and Pedialyte. Yeah. Oh Lord. Meanwhile, the other bandit is still on the loose somewhere in this compound. Oh man, friends, we can't make this up. They probably got some Narcan. Prayers going up for the bandit. Yeah, he saw me and went into distress probably. Bandits don't want to be on the Hood News. Alright, so search is still on for the other bandit. Uh-oh. What was that? That was loud. Somebody slamming doors. Oh my God, that's one of my pet peeves. Oh, there he is right there. Look, look. He feels good. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, somebody said he needs some milk. So much going on here. Another Houston Fire Department ambulance. Alright. I think he's gonna be alright. I'm gonna put the stethoscope to his chest. That's somebody's baby daddy. Possibly Caucasian or Hispanic. Somebody say it was the one drinking Modelo. I don't know, y'all. Man, it's hotter than a hoochie coochie. Y'all be safe out there. Bandits, don't be banditing, man. It's too hot. It's too hot for all this nonsense. Well, your buddy was on the roof. You might see this maybe the day after tomorrow. He's going to be watching this video in a few days and be like, damn, I was all over the Hood News. He's going to say, damn, that bitch was nosy. All right, they checked his blood pressure. We're on the corner of Jensen Drive and Mills. Agarraron a uno. Estos idiotas andaban metiéndose aquí en esta área de construcción para robar cables de cobre. Estaban robando supuestamente cobre. Venían a robar los cables de cobre. Copper wire thieves. Copper wire bandits. F around and you too shall find out in the backseat of a Northeast Patrol cop car. Jesus. Alright, they're out. Ain't nothing wrong with him. Allegedly. Alright, shout out to HFD, man. He'll be alright in the sobering tank. Meanwhile, his homeboy's up there probably watching. Oh my God. All right, HFD is rolling out. He's just gonna have to sleep it off. All right, there they go. All right, they strapped him in the seatbelt and off they go. He's gonna be spreading cheeks. Oh no, they might load him up. Hold on, friends. Hold on. Oh, plot twist, plot twist. Oh my God, there he is right there. Oh my God, plot twist. Oh Lord. Oh my goodness, y'all. All right. There you go. Somebody's baby daddy. He's good, friends. He's reacting. He's gonna be all right. They're gonna give him some fluids. All that damn running around. We're gonna call him Hollywood. Hey, slow down, payasos. Ooh, they were coming flying too. Slow down, mother. Alright. He's getting treatment. We're gonna call him Hollywood. Y'all told y'all we're gonna call him Hollywood. Alright, hey, he's got an escort. Ooh. He will be escorted by the best out of Northeast Patrol. Alright, bandit in distress. Bandit down, y'all. Come out, homeboy, with your hands up. Oh, they're in the room. Look there. Look. Oh my God. Uh-oh. This is insane, y'all. Oh my God. All this for some copper wire. Jesus. Man. But you know what? No construction sites are safe. This is a constant here in in the world of hood news. Like, we're constantly seeing people stealing and robbing from the construction sites. You know, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Yeah, somebody said Hollywood. Y'all put Hollywood in the comments. Oh my goodness, y'all. We're gonna go up this mound of dirt again. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. All right. Oh. Those are going to be garages. Well, shit, I might as well go too. I don't think they're going to find them, friends. Yeah. Y'all be safe out here. I'm going to go ahead and dip out. Please be safe. Be advised, friends. Copper bandits on one copper bandit down. The other one is on the loose somewhere out here off of Jensen and Mills. Reporting live is your girl Grizzy. Back to you. Initially, reports of a man on a ladder, and then when they got here, they found out that these were copper wire bandits. 2 of them. One of them might still be here. The other one is in custody. He's been taken to the hospital. If you see him, if you know who he is, tag him. All right, bye.